Hey everyone, it's Ken Schmidt, CEO and founder of Turning Point Executive Search, coming to you again today from my home office here in San Diego. I thought I would share a couple more tips for you leaders out there trying to run your team efficiently and effectively without actually seeing them in the office every day, as we're all trying to transition into this work from home situation. So some of the things that I do for myself, I have a team. We've been virtual since day one. My team of 7, we're all spread throughout San Diego, but I really have to take some time to be patient with them, especially in these times when they're juggling a lot of different kinds of things. Things are very, very fluid, whether it's kids being at home or spouses also working from home, trying to figure out how to get things going and keep things going is very tough right now. So patience is really, really important. One of the things I've really tried to focus on as we've gone through this transition for a lot of people. Secondly, in terms of just accountability, if you will, and metrics, just realize that the expectations are going to change a little bit. So be sure that you are taking the time with your team members to effectively communicate what you're looking for, what you expect from them, but also what they can expect from you because you're working from home just as they are. So make sure that you're breaking that up. And finally, just again, be willing to be understanding, if you will, kind of that human aspect where we're all trying to work through so many different things at the same time. Things may take a little longer to get done. While people certainly want to do whatever they possibly can to get the work done for you as the leader, we also realize that there's a lot of things that we're all juggling. So just a couple of tips that might help out for you leaders out there trying to manage your teams and setting up the right KPIs and metrics. So hopefully that's helpful. Talk to you soon. Be safe out there and be healthy. Take care.